Why don't senior citizens need to reserve a spot in the salsa dance class? Because they always have the hip replacement they need. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on dance classes for seniors. Tip 1. Choose the right class. Seniors should choose a dance class that suits their interests and abilities. Dancing styles range from ballroom to swing, tap, contemporary, and more. Furthermore, seniors should ensure the class is suitable for their fitness level. Some classes are specifically designed for seniors with reduced mobility, while others might be too strenuous. Tip 2. Wear comfortable clothing. Investing in comfortable clothing is crucial for seniors when attending dance classes. Lightweight, breathable fabrics and clothing that allows for easy movement are optimal choices. Shoes should provide appropriate support and be made specifically for dance if possible. Non-specialized shoes can lead to accidents and injuries. Tip 3. Stay hydrated. It's essential for seniors to stay hydrated during dance classes, as dancing can be a physically demanding activity. Drinking water regularly prevents dehydration, which can result in tiredness, low blood pressure, and dizziness. Tip 4. Warm up and cool down. Seniors should not skip the warm-up and cool-down stages of dance class. These sessions prepare the body for dancing and reduce the risk of injury. It's especially beneficial to focus on warming up joints to increase their range of motion. Tip 5. Take it slow. Seniors should take things slow when starting out with dance classes. The body needs time to adjust to the new physical demands of dancing, and taking it slow can prevent unnecessary injuries. Tip 6. Pay attention to pain. Sensations of pain or discomfort should be taken seriously. If a certain movement or routine is causing discomfort, seniors should communicate this to their dance instructor and consider modifications to prevent injury. Tip 7. Keep regular attendance. Attending classes regularly can help seniors gradually improve their strength, endurance, and flexibility. The consistency also helps to build muscle memory. Tip 8. Dance at your own pace. Seniors should remember to dance at their own pace. Comparing their progress to others may lead to feelings of inadequacy or pressure to perform beyond their ability. Tip 9. Have fun. It's important to remember that dancing should be fun. Seniors should choose dance styles they enjoy and not worry about mastering complicated steps or routines. The goal should first and foremost be enjoyment. Tip 10. Take breaks. Seniors shouldn't hesitate to take breaks during the class when needed. Dancing can be hard work, and they should allow their body time to recover if they start to feel overworked. Tip 11. Involve friends. Getting a friend involved in dance class can make it even more enjoyable for seniors. Having a familiar face in the class can help to encourage regular attendance, provide moral support during challenging routines, and add a social aspect to the class. Happy dancing!